Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 26th to August the 28th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel na catered to our international audience. So, Taurus, kung hindi nyo po maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So, Taurus, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Taurus, parang nakikita natin dito, hindi tayo masyadong vocal, no? When it comes to our emotions. What we are doing in here is more of observation. So, nangyayari ito, yung kumbaga nagtatansyahan ng emotion. Nagtatansyahan, no? Kumbaga, I am observing you. I'm just observing what's your action to me, no? And I'm making a conclusion out of that. So, let's say nangyayari ito madalas kapag doon sa mga may mga crushes. So, wala pang formal, no, na conversation about anong klaseng relationship meron sila or situationship, no, nangyayari ito madalas. Kung nasa relasyon naman, siguro nangyayari ito most likely, no, kung galit ba, no, ayokong itanong kasi pag tinanong ko malamang sa malamang maano ko no, matrigger ko. Baka tama nga yung hinala ko, tapos matrigger ko, doon magsisimula, no? What I am seeing in here is there are a lot of changes when it comes to sabihin nating emotion, efforts yung pinapakita nitong ni person. There are, parang may iba, no? Pero, let's say, nangyayari to kapag you are not expecting that this person is falling in love with you, that this person is already feeling, no, something for you. Hindi mo rin naman sinasabi kung ano itong emotion, no? Siguro, yung sa atin, nagkakaintindihan tayo through actions, no? Bakit may takot? Bakit may takot? Yun yung parang dominant na emotion, no, na nakikita ko dito. Bakit nagkaroon ng takot? With the Queen of Swords and the Hanged One. So meron ditong taong nangangati na yung dila, no? Parang sabihin natin, gusto ko nang itanong, no? Parang ayoko nang mabuhay dito sa sitwasyon na hindi ko alam kung paano ko kikilos, hindi ko alam kung paano kita kakausapin. No, medyo nalilito na ako, no? Siguro sometimes nag-a-assume tayo, sometimes medyo nakakaligtaan natin, no, ang mga bagay-bagay. Minsan naiisip natin, sumusobra ba ako ng either pakikipag-usap, sumusobra ba ako ng sabihin natin na hipaghingi ng pabor, no? I just want something very tangent. I want something na pwede kong panghawakan, no, dito sa relationship natin. With the Page of Cups and the Two of Cups. So noon pa man, meron ng nararamdaman sa isa't isa. I feel like we can say for yung a small percentage na this is love at first sight, no? I think na itong relationship na ito nagsimula siya ng merong dumaan, no? Let's say, yung kaibigan natin nag-post, nakatag siya. Tapos, someone got curious, I clicked the person's profile and I got interested from then on. So parang hindi pa man kita na-meet in person, face to face, I feel something different, no? Um, lalo na nung nag-meet dahil with the two of cups in here, no? Parang sabihin natin, eto na siguro yung taong gugustuhin ko at sana gusto din ako ng taong ito, no? With the Ten of Swords and the Nine of Cups, I feel like medyo this relationship might be fluctuating. Minsan yung kumbaga dadaan, no? Itong tao, tapos biglang mawawala, magpaparamdam na naman. Or probably hinahanap din natin, no? Kapag ano kayong nangyayari sa tao niyo? Bakit hindi siya nagsasabi sa akin ng kung ano ba, no, ang nangyayari or bakit minsan nawawala itong mga post niya. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords. By the Chariot and the Seven of Pentacles. So we are, sabihin natin we're expecting, to see the person probably every day or see their post every day. We're waiting for their next actions, we're waiting for, let's say, whatever they wanna want us. Siguro these are also ang laki ng impact ng online dito, no? Kasi we're getting clues. Either nararamdaman natin na itong mga post niya, itong mga songs niya, I know that this is for me. With the Nine of Cups, I feel like this situationship is going to jump into a relationship with the Four of Cups, the Four of Swords. So, parang kung kailan pa, no, mangyayari yung, ay, hindi naman yata ako bet, no, nitong taong ito. And then, lumalamlam na rin. So, parang nawawalan tayo ng enthusiasm ba, no, dito sa relationship. Tapos, parang sinasabi natin, parang hindi rin naman. Parang hindi naman niya ako ganun kabet, no? And then, dun pa dadating yung confirmation. With the Seven of Swords and the Nine of Pentacles. So, what I am seeing in here is you might be in this landian stage, no? Hindi ko sinasabing malandi ka or malandi yung person, no? Not in a bad way, no? So, sabihin natin, ay, alandi, no? Itong mga talandi. Kasi merong, in a good way, in a nice way, meron talagang mga malalandi na nakakainis. So, hindi siya yung nakakainis na landi. Kasi itong landian nyo, isa inyong dalawa lang naman. One thing's for sure, that no one is giving a definite answer. No one is giving a definite, sabihin natin, word, no? Dun sa isang tao na I like you. I know, you know that I like you through my actions, but I'm not saying anything, no? Parang nagpapakiramdaman tayo. Now, with the Knight of Wands and the Magician, so I believe that someone's wish here is to put the connection into another level of commitment, and I believe that this is about to happen, especially this approaching months, no? Or whatever it is that you're wishing. It could be, dun sa mga mag-asawa, no? It could be umuwi ka na, or it could be let's move to another place. I am also seeing that whatever it is that you're manifesting, I believe that this is about to happen. So let's check the emotion. You are the light at the end of the tunnel, and you light up my world. So I don't know. Probably there's actually a lot of light, or someone is really inspired, um, to be in this situation kahit medyo challenging. Pero si Taurus, diba? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this is a confirmation. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. No? Pisces, Cancer, Taurus, baka kapwa Taurus, Sagittarius, Scorpio. Scorpio is very dominant, and Cancer, by the way. So parang paulit-ulit siya sa Sagittarius, Leo, no? So this is your reading, Taurus. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Taurus, kilalang-kilala niyo po ang inyong sarili. So, alam niyo kung masasatisfy kayo sa yes or no na sagot. Kung hindi naman po, dumiretso na kayo dun sa description box. There is a link, no? Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Ayan. Ang unang bubungad po sa inyo is yung question form. Sa question form, hindi kasi siya kasya sa screen. Ibaba nyo lang ng konti, makikita nyo po din yung QR codes. Nandun po yung how much per question, now the name, the number for your reference, and also if you also want to avail the 4 questions plus 1, so discounted na yung 4 questions, may libre pa, take advantage of it. Paki-check na lang din po yung mga QR codes. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box, dun sa QR codes. No? Kung hindi naman kayong nagmamadali, pwede naman po kayong sumali sa ating raffle. No? All you have to do is to report those fake accounts. Ayan. And then, mag-ano po kayo, screenshot and send it to the designated email. Ayan, bubunot po tayo once nagapin natin yan. And that's actually totally free of charge, no? So, kung hinahanap ninyo, Taurus, itong mga readings about exes, no? Nando po siya sa Facebook. So, makikita nyo po yun, yung mga X-Files. Kasi may mga videos po na hindi po nakapost dito sa YouTube, no? Nandun po siya sa Facebook. So all you have to do, no, kung hindi nyo mahanap sa Facebook, punta na lang din po kayo dun sa description box, dun po dun sa website. Nandun po yung icons ng Facebook. Click nyo lang yon, i-route na kayo directly dun sa Facebook. Ayan. So this is your reading, Taurus. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just got